In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix not getting Shopify authentication code. If you're not receiving your Shopify authentication code, the quickest way to resolve it is to review and enable reliable two-step authentication methods from your account settings. We'll walk through getting to the right place and turning on the options that make code delivery consistent and secure so you're not blocked when signing in. Start by heading to Shopify.com in a trusted browser and sign into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're using the account that manages your store and that your internet connection is stable. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider using a private window to keep your session secure while you make changes. Once you're signed in, look to the top right and select the profile icon. That small avatar opens your account menu and takes you to your personal account area rather than a specific store view. From there, open your account settings and locate the security section. This is where Shopify centralizes all sign-in protections and recovery options, and it's the place to fix code delivery issues. Inside security, find the two-step authentication area and enable authentication methods. This is the core of the fix. When codes aren't arriving, it's usually because of carrier filtering, regional SMS delays, or an outdated contact detail. Turning on additional methods gives you dependable alternatives. Many users prefer an authenticator app because it generates codes on your device without relying on your mobile carrier or email deliverability. If you already use one on your phone, choose that option here and follow the on-screen prompts to connect it. If you prefer text messages, make sure the phone number displayed is current and able to receive SMS. It's also a good idea to add backup codes while you're here and store them somewhere secure so you can sign in even if you're traveling, out of signal, or switching phones. As you enable your chosen method, you'll be prompted to confirm with a test code. Enter it to finalize the setup. If you're using an authenticator app, ensure your device time is set automatically. Time mismatches can cause invalid code errors. For best reliability, keep at least two methods active, such as an authenticator app plus SMS, so you always have a fallback. That's it. By going to Shopify.com, opening your profile, heading into security, and enabling two-step authentication methods, you ensure your sign-in codes arrive smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into your account without any more hiccups.